Hi, I'm Josh Bowman, Product Manager for QxControl, and in this section we're going to cover Timeline. Timeline is similar to Search in that we can come here to look at either device health related events and, more importantly, video that is stored either in our gateway or in the cloud service. So to get started, let's go ahead and add a camera. So we choose the Add Camera option, and I'm going to choose this driveway camera because this has a lot of different analytics available, so this will produce a lot of events for us, and you can see there they're all filled in. So to get started here, I want to show over here under this question mark is a legend, and this legend explains a lot of what you're seeing down here in this bottom graph. So first of all, this will explain the differences between the time scales. So there's a lot of different ways I can zoom in, so I'm using my mouse wheel now. You can see I can zoom in. Now I'm all the way out, and you can see over here, this time scale will reflect what scale we are at. So right now I'm at a 3-day scale. As you can see, I can mouse in. Now I'm at a 15-minute scale. I can also click here to choose. So for example, go to a 30-minute scale. I can also use these buttons to do that. And on my phone, I can also do a pinch and pull zoom just like I would on the video. I can do that on this graph to zoom in from my mobile device as well. So we're going to go to let's do a 30-minute scale here. The other thing that you will see in the legend that's important is the listing for video segments. Green is the video that is stored on your gateway, regardless of whether you are doing event recording locally or continuous recording. All of the green that you see here is stored locally on the gateway. And then yellow represents video that is stored in the cloud. So if you have cloud subscription with your QxControl, this indicates that the video is available there. And just a quick reminder, when you choose continuous recording, that will be locally on your gateway. When you choose cloud subscription for storage, that is always going to be based on events. So all of this is going to be event data. So that gives you a little more information on what you're going to see in this bottom area. So let's talk about how to use it. So very similar to Search, we can also filter based on the type of event. And just like Search, we can choose to include or not include device-related health events. And just as a reminder, those will typically not have video associated with them anyways. We can choose all the same events and camera-based analytics that are available in Search. In this particular case, we should get a lot of vehicles. So I'm going to choose vehicle detected as the analytic I want to filter on. And we should start seeing some orange populate here. And there we go. So we see these are occurrences where a vehicle appeared. So we're going to take our cursor and we're going to drag that over. So you can see we're kind of scrubbing through. There's one event with that vehicle. Here is again where the vehicle comes through. So we've already talked about playback controls in other lessons. So let's focus on two things here that are different. First, we can choose to play video only from the cloud. If we choose that option, what will happen is that video that is stored only locally on the gateway, you will get this message here, no video found, deselect cloud button. The next thing that we want to talk about is exporting this video that we would like to keep. And it does not have to be related to an event. So unlike Search, I could actually go into this section here. We've got video that's actually recorded, not correlated to an event. So I do have continuous recording here set up on this camera, and I can go ahead and export that. But these events obviously are more interesting. So let's show about how to create a clip that is located right here with the scissor icon. I can choose, and especially if I'm using continuous, I can choose any start or end time I would like. I can give this a name, and this will be very similar to the process that we use in Search. And again, we can choose by default if it's going to expire or not. And we're going to choose upload. So you can see here that the clip uploaded successfully. And if we go to the clips page, there it is, and it is already being saved to clips. So just a quick reminder, we choose our camera, we choose any filters, we're able to scrub and zoom, and we're able to see all the video, whether there is an event or not. That concludes this lesson on timeline. Thank you.